In this video, I will show you 10 kW solar rooftop system installation. For on-grid solar rooftop systems, we give complete solution, starting from fabrications, electrical wiring, earthing, lightning arrestor installations, panel installation, supply of inverters, AC/DC, DC/DC, AC cables, DC cables, connectors, earthing kit, everything we supply. First, we need to understand the customer requirement and decide upon the capacity of solar rooftop system they need to install. Once we conclude on the capacity of the solar rooftop system, we plan fabrication depending on number of panels. The fabrication need to be planned along with the walkway to clean the panels in between. We can do MS fabricated structures, hot galvanized structures, GI structures as per the site requirement. Galvanized structures are made at factory. We need to just assemble them at the site. Based on the panel size, number of panels, we can plan and buy the structures. Here we are installing 12 numbers waree bifacial panels. After completing the fabrication work and painting, we have started assembling the panels. We make use of aluminum L angles and mid clamps. Once the panels are installed, we do the DC wiring. Will be connected to the DC distribution board along with the surge protection device. Generally, inverter, AC/DC, DC/DC are installed as much near to the panel as possible so as to avoid DC power loss. Inverter AC output will be fed to the meter along with AC/DC and surge protection devices. On an average, this 9.5 kW solar rooftop system can generate 1200 to 1400 units of electricity per month. And here we are installing 10 kW 3-phase day inverter. Now we have finished the DC side wiring. We have installed the AC/DC, DC/DC inverters and lightning arrestor we have fixed. For on-grid solar rooftop systems, we need 3 separate earthing points. One for the lightning arrestor, which will be connected in an individual pipe, and then one for the DC line, another one for the AC side. We will install a bidirection meter and synchronize the meter to the BESCOM grid. For any solar rooftop system installations, please call us. Thank you.